So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason your Snapchat stories keep coming out blurry. Now what does this mean? Well, basically if you're trying to go through and take a Snapchat story like this or whatever, you might be seeing that every time you take it, or if you're posting a Snapchat story, randomly it can glitch up and it's just not giving you that good of an experience. Now, the main reason why this may end up happening for the most part for you is that you're actually posting a Snapchat story, either one, from your camera, which sometimes when you're taking a photo, it can be blurry or whatever. So you can see if I'm going through and taking a Snapchat story, if I'm moving my phone while I'm taking the story, you can see it's going to come out blurry and it's not going to be that good of quality. So just make sure that you're posting your story, you're taking a story that's in a good quality, that's in a good area, because if the lighting isn't good and if the photo is blurry, then it's just going to be a blurry photo that you're going to be posting anyways. Now, if you're posting a story, let's say from your camera reel, so let's say I'm posting a story or a flashback from whatever, let's say I'm reposting this one. Well, if I go through and if I post a blurry story already, you can see the story is already very blurry. If I go through and if I zoom into this photo and I try to do all sorts of other things, you can see that randomly it's just going to be more and more blurry. So that's not going to be a good thing either. So you probably just want to make sure that the photo that you're posting is of good quality. So you can double check and just verify this by going into somewhere like your camera reel right here and just going through and finding a proper photo, finding a better photo if you can, and then reposting that one. If you can edit up that photo inside of your camera reel, I'd recommend doing that too, because that can probably give you a better experience for the most part as well. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing is keeping your Snapchat application up to date as possible. So what you can do is basically make your way over to your app store just like this. You then want to go ahead, I don't know what this is asking, then you can go ahead and just go and click on search, click on your thing up there and just type in the name of the icon or name of the app, so you can see Snapchat right here, and then you can go and update your Snapchat application. If your Snapchat app was like severely outdated, well, this is pretty much an easy one-way solution of pretty much fixing this problem if you're in that situation too. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, soul.